Good afternoon. My name is Hae-Sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today we will discuss with the labor attorney Jong Bong-soo about the concept and the meaning of the cancellation of collective agreement. So first of all, could you explain about the terminology of collective agreement?
Okay, hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Yes, collective agreement is a rule or a contract made by between employer and labor union. So this we call it collective agreement. So it has a very superior application out of the many laws like rules of employment, employment contract, or other the contract or regulations, because this is mutually agreed the contract that employer and labor union agreed. So this ruling, this collective agreement is so powerful and important in the workplace. Yeah.
I see. Is it the meaning can be very wide range, and for example, the definition you explained about the definition of the collective agreement, but how about the cancellation of the collective agreement and the meaning and the consequence of this cancellation?
Yeah, if collective agreement is cancelled, then there will be no more collective agreement. Then union cannot have any power because what they agreed in the collective agreement are really powerful tool for labor union. But if the union loses its collective agreement, then they have to negotiate it with the employer, and they get some agreement for collective agreement. Then we call it collective agreement. So in order to be a collective agreement or update of collective agreement, employer and employee agreed on those new working conditions. Yeah. So how to cancel? So one means of the no more the collective agreement, then usually cancellation is possible when either party inform the other party about its cancellation. Also, either party is dissolved. Also, labor union is dissolved. Then there are no more labor union. Then there will be no no existence of a collective agreement. So without a collective agreement, employer lose their own authority or the union's power in the organization. So when employer cancels the employment contract, it is greatly affecting union's operation. So in union's perspective, they have to make effort to not have a cancellation of collective agreement. So immediately right after the collective agreement cancellation, they should negotiate with the employers, the chief negotiators or representatives, so that they can have a new collective agreement.
I see. So you have explained about the collective agreement and the first definition and the cancellation. So what would be the effect and consequence of after the cancellation of the collective agreement to the labor union and the employer, etc.? Could you explain?
So if collective agreement is cancelled or dissolved, or like a company become bankrupt, so in such cases it's possible to disapproval or abolish the establishment of a labor union. So when union's collective agreement is cancelled, there are two legal rights related to this collective agreement. One is the contractual part. The other one is the working condition part. So we call statutory part. So statutory part still exist as a workers' individual working conditions, but those like contractual part is like labor union itself have some organization, so they can be protected for their contractual right based on continuity of collective agreement. If collective agreement cancelled, their agreement cannot maintain. Yeah, so it's important. Yeah.
So in order to maintain the collective agreement, what measures should be taken by the employer and employee? Could you advise as a labor attorney?
Yes, I think collective agreement is a symbol of labor union activities. So when collective agreement is cancelled, their basic union's basic right cannot be protected. So collective agreement is the result of unions activities. So also it should be renewed. But if collective agreement cancelled, so in that case, union's perspective, they have to negotiate with the employer, and they must have a substitute some collective agreement. So that is required. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment on this subject.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.